Papayag ako sa gusto mo, Mama. Pero sa isang kondisyon.
Ikaw pa ang may tapang na magbigay ng kondisyon? Elizabeth, tandaan mo kung sinong kausap mo. At kung sino ang gumagawa ng desisyon. Hindi ikaw yon.
Simple lang naman ang gusto ko. Ayaw niyo akong pabalikin sa Amerika dahil gusto niyo akong magpanggap na dutiful widow ng anak niyo. Hindi ba?
At ina ng aking mga apo.
No problem, Mama. Pero ako lang ang dapat na kilalanin na nag-iisang Mrs. Edison Chan. Wala nang iba.
Which means?
Si Valerie. I want her gone. In all Chan-related and sponsored events. She keeps on flaunting a lie na siya ang nag-iisang Mrs. Chan when she's invited, when everyone knows that's a big lie. She is not Mrs. Edison Chan. She is just my husband's mistress.
Yun lang ba, Elizabeth? I accept your condition. Pero, ako naman ang meron tanong sa'yo. Bakit ngayon mo lang naisip yan?
Dahil ang nag-iisang Mrs. Edison Chan lang ang pupunta sa Antonio Chan Foundation Benefit Dinner at hindi ang isang palsapikadong asawa lang.
And what makes you think you are good enough to represent my family after you left my son?
Because you know I am not only good enough, I am better than his mistress.
Elizabeth, masyadong paniniwala mo sa iyong sarili.
Mama, pareho lang tayo, di ba? Thank you so much to all of you for joining this press conference for a very special event of our family. We shall forever be grateful for the support the media has given to the Antonio Chan Foundation. In behalf of Gold Quest, my lovely family and I, maraming salamat po.
Mrs. Chan, how many scholars will be financed by the Antonio Chan Foundation this year?
Hopefully around 250 deserving young men and women.
And Mrs. Chan, what is your role in this foundation? Last year you were...
Well, I was busy, but this year, to honor the legacy of my husband and my father-in-law, as Mrs. Edison Chan, I am giving all my effort to bring greater awareness to this foundation.
Mrs. Chan! Miss Elizabeth! Mrs. Chan!
Mama, I just want to know, bakit hindi po ako invited sa event? And of all people, bakit si Elizabeth ang magsasalita? Hindi po ba kung merong dapat magsalita, ako yun?
Ano sinabi mo? Dapat? Hindi yata tama yun.
Yes, that's what I mean. There must be a mistake. So tama ako.
Valerie, let me tell you, it was not a mistake. Hindi ka talaga imbitado. Totoo yun. Totoong totoo. And how dare you barge in here and demand answers from me? Baka nakakalimutan mo kung anong pwesto mo dito sa pamilyang ito. Kumbaga sa malaking sasakyan, nakaangkas ka lang.
Mama, I'm just hoping for an explanation.
Again, let me remind you, you are Valerie and I am Consuelo. Valerie does not demand answers from Consuelo. Why? Because I am Consuelo and you are just Valerie! Paano mo marirepresent ang pamilya, Chan? Kung ang sarili mong pagpapalaki sa anak mo, malaking disgrasya.
Mama, don't say that.
Baka nakakalimutan mo. Narito ka sa pamamahay ko. Kaya kung anong gusto kong sabihin, sasabihin ko. Ngayon, meron ka pa bang gustong sabihin? Dahil kung wala na, you can go. Go! Go!